how to change notification settings on Mac. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change the notification settings like enabling and disabling notifications of apps on your MacBook. So, first things first, head over to settings. There you'll find notifications, and then there you can see various application notifications. So you need to scroll down. Let's say you head over to calendar, you want notifications from calendar app, then toggle on, and then you can choose whether you want the notifications in desktop, notification center, lock screen, or all of them. If you don't want in desktop, then you can just tap and uncheck it. You can see alert style option, temporary, persistent. You can toggle on time sensitive notifications, badge application icon, or play sound for notification. And there you can see show previews option. So you can like set it to always or only when your MacBook is unlocked or never. And you can see notification grouping option as well, like automatic or by application. Similarly, if you don't want notifications at all, then you can just toggle off allow notifications option. Next, you can go to another app and then do the same process again. So it's as simple as that to change notifications on your MacBook. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.